Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I changed the lighting up today. Let me know whether it's any good or not. That would be good. Thanks. I'm not sure. But today I'm doing a really exciting makeup look. I'm doing Mary Poppins. So first of all, I'm just priming with the Generation A Skin Serum. I'm trying to drip it across my face like a cool Instagram model, and it's not working out for me. Oh my gosh. Am I okay? I'm not sure. Anyway, this stuff is really cool. I might do a video about it one day. Who knows? It's really good. And then next I'm just taking the Revolution Liquid Highlighter and I'm just popping that underneath my foundation because she hasn't got a straight up highlight. She just got a very glowy look to her skin. I think I'm singing along to the soundtrack. This is for Mary Poppins Returns, by the way, which if you guys haven't seen it, it is insane. You need to see it ASAP. It's so good. But using this underneath your foundation gives your skin a really nice healthy glow, so highly recommend. And then I'm just taking the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. She's got super flawless skin, so you really want to recreate that with your own. So just use the the most coverage foundation that you've got. This one is amazing. I don't use it that often because it's not exactly the best colour match for me. It's a little bit darker than I usually want. It's fine for me in summer, but during my winter pasty months it's not so great. So, I mean, you can't see it so much underneath this lighting, but I turn into a little orange egg, so not the best idea. But it looks so nice. It's such a nice foundation. What that was about. And then I'm just setting with the WetnWild bronzer in Reserve Your Cabana. Again, this has got a slight shimmer to it, so it's really great for just giving your skin a glow, and it also sets my makeup better than any translucent or any sort of powder that I've used before. And then I'm filling in my brows with the LA Girl Brow Pomade. It's such a good pomade. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's made my brows look so good. You want them to be quite arched and full. Yeah, I'm definitely singing along to the soundtrack there. Can you imagine that? Oh, such a good film. And then I'm just taking the BH Cosmetics bronzer and I'm using it as an eyeshadow. So literally you kind of want to contour your eyes, so just go into your crease. She's got the seriously most minimalist eyeshadow look ever. And then I'm taking Galifornia by Benefit, which is just a blush, and again I'm just putting that in the crease just to give it a little bit of definition and colour. It's a really simple makeup look, but it's really flawless and pretty. And then I'm just doing the tiniest bit of eyeliner just to define my eyes a little bit more and just make them stand out. You really don't want to go too hard on this, just make it the tiniest wing ever. Just a little bit of a flick, really. Yes, well done, because it defines your eyes, I'm saying there. So yeah, it does just make your eyes look a little bit bigger and just gives them a little something something. And then I'm curling my lashes, which is the most terrifying experience. I forget how much I hate it. I don't do it that often, to be fair, but I feel like you need it for this look. And then I'm taking the Pure Volume Vixen Mascara. It is amazing, hands down best mascara I've used all year. Oh wait, no, in the past year. Not just 2019, but it is the only mascara I've used in 2019, to be fair. It makes your lashes look so good, but what I'm doing is I'm really emphasizing on those last lashes just to make it flare out a little bit more. It gives you the impression that you've got sort of not falsies, but that your eyes have got a bit more of a shape to them, if that makes any sense. And then I'm just popping Galifornia onto my cheeks as well. She's got very, very rosy cheeks, because that's what Michael and Jane requested. I don't know if you guys like Mary Poppins or not. I'm guessing you do if you're watching this video. And then I'm popping a little bit on the end of my nose as well and singing along again. And then I'm just lining my lips with a lip liner from LA Girl, which is just the tiniest bit darker than my natural lip colour. What you really want to do for this look is emphasise your Cupid's bow. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just slightly overlining around my Cupid's bow there. And then I'm taking BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen lipstick in Simone. This is the perfect Mary Poppins colour. It is insane. I was really obsessed with it. It just looks so nice. It's the perfect cross between pink and red. And yeah, it's a really nice formula too. I'm going to be doing a video all about these liquid linens because I got the whole set because I liked them a lot, so keep an eye out for that. Just go really carefully, especially if you've gone outside of your normal lip shape, because it's really obvious if you make a mistake when you've done that. I'm so obsessed with the soundtrack, it's so good. And then I'm just setting all of that with the Mario Badescu, I have no idea how you say that, setting spray. And then I've got a little hat that my sister made for World Book Day when she went as Mary Poppins, and that's the finished look. It is so cute, and I seriously recommend that you go and see Mary Poppins if you haven't already. Please leave me a comment below and let me know if you liked this editing style as well, because I switched it up a little bit more. Oh, I've run out of time again. Yeah, let me know if you like the editing style, and I'll see you next time. Bye!